Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayon. Alhamdulillah, more than 150 students from different cities of Pakistan have joined my statistics lecturer session and they are preparing for the test of lecturer statistics, and I will invite all the students that they can join my group for passing every written test of statistics. Alhamdulillah, today I will discuss a very important paper for the post of lecturer statistics with you students, and in that paper I have given the questions for ICS statistics, BSc, MSc and MPhil statistics level that will be very beneficial and handy for you for passing every written test of statistics. Now I will discuss the answers of that paper with you people. Let's start. Question number 1 is, F distribution was invented by? The correct answer is G.W. Snedecor. Question number 2, ANOVA was introduced by? The correct option is R.A. Fisher, a very important one. Question number 3, ANOVA was introduced in 1923. Question number 4, T distribution was introduced by Gauss-it. Correct option is Gauss-it. Next, T distribution was introduced in 1908. For F distribution that was 1923 and for T distribution that is 1908. Next question is, the linear relationship between two independent variables in a regression model is called? A very important one, that is collinearity. Whenever our explanatory variables are correlated with one another and they are two, that is called collinearity. And if they are more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 independent variables, they are correlated with one another, we have multicollinearity. Next question, if R is less than 0.5, if the correlation coefficient is less than 0.5, there is, the correct option is low multicollinearity. Next question, which is true? The variance inflation factor, the formula for variance inflation factor is equal to 1 over 1 minus R square 2, 3, a very important one. Next question is, as correlation coefficient approaches to 1, the variance inflation factor approaches to infinity, a very important one. Question number next, when there is no collinearity between the two variables, correct option is variation inflation factor will be equal to 1. Next question, there are dash types of multicollinearity. There are two types of multicollinearity, perfect multicollinearity and imperfect multicollinearity. Next question is, which is true? The correct option is U chart and C chart are attribute control charts. These are attribute. There are two types of control chart, variable control chart, which is S chart, S square chart, all these are X bar chart, they are variable control chart, and second one is attribute control chart, and these are U and C charts are attribute control chart. Next question is, the distribution of S square chart is, it is chi-square distribution. Next, when T distribution has n degrees of freedom, then T square has F distribution. It has F distribution when n1 is equal to 1 and n2 is equal to n, a very important one. Next question, when degree of freedom of T distribution approaches to infinity, it becomes standard normal distribution. When the degree of freedom of T distribution approaches to infinity, then the distribution approaches to standard normal distribution. Next question is very, very important. Whenever we have x1, x2 up to so on, any independent variables, they are normally distributed, then the sum of their squares, that will follow chi-square distribution. If there are two variables, then the sum of their squares will be chi-square with the 2 degree of freedom. If we have 3 independent variables and the sum of there will be chi-square with the degree of freedom will be 3. If there are n independent variables, that will be chi-square with the degree of freedom is equal to n. A very important question. Next question is, vital statistics is concerned with births, deaths, marriages, all of these are the vital events actually. And in vital statistics we discuss births, marriages and deaths. Next question, which one of the following is not a vital event? Birth is a vital event, marriage is also a vital event, education is not the vital event. C is the correct option. Next question is the relationship between net reproduction rate NRR and gross reproduction rate GRR is NRR is always less than equal to GRR. A very important question. Next, reproduction can be measured by total fertility rate is the correct option. Next is life table is also called mortality table, correct one. Survival table, correct one. Life expectancy, correct one. Life expectancy table, D is the correct option, all of these. Next question is standardized death rates are particularly useful for, and the correct option is comparing death rates of two regions, a very important one. Next question is crude death rate usually lies between 8 and 30 per thousand. 8 and 30 per thousand is the correct option. Next question is coefficient of variation is independent of, dear students, coefficient of variation is S over X bar. It is dependent upon origin and scale, and S is independent of origin. So coefficient of variation is independent of origin, independent of scale but not origin, and coefficient of variation increases. It increases when we have the increase in the constant. When a constant value is increased, is added in the value, coefficient of variation will be decreased, and when a constant value is subtracted from all the values, coefficient of variation will be increased. A very important concept. Next question is mean, median and mode are equal when all the values are same. Next, when the data is in rupees, the unit of index number is no unit. Index number is, for example, Pn over P naught multiplied by 100. It is in rupees, it is also in rupees. These will be cancelled. Index number has no unit. CPI is also called consumer price index number, is also called cost of living index number. Time reversal test is satisfied by Fisher as well as Marshall is the correct option. Time reversal test is used for 2 years. What is it? P naught n multiplied by P n naught is equal to 1. If this is the base period, it is the current one, then it is the base, it is the current one. We need 2 years for the time reversal test. It is satisfied by Fisher as well as Marshall. Factor reversal test is satisfied by Fisher only. Next, quantity index number is also called quantum index number, correct. Volume index number, correct. Both A and B is the correct option. Circular test is the extension of time reversal test. Circular test is used for at least 3 years. What is this much? PAB multiply PBC multiply PCA is equal to 1. We need 3 years at least. It is the extension of time reversal test. For consumer index numbers, the data is collected from retailer. Value index number has no bias. In last period index number we have upward bias, in passage we have downward bias, and in value index number, which is summation Pn Qn over summation P naught Q naught, actually we multiply the new price with new quantity and in old price with old quantity. That's why value index number has no bias. But if I talk about last period index number, which is summation Pn Q naught over summation P naught Q naught, in the denominator we multiply old price with old quantity, no bias. In numerator we have new price with old quantity. That's why it has upward bias. Now in passage index number we have summation Pn Qn over summation P naught Qn. In the numerator we have new price with new quantity, no bias. But in denominator we have old price with new quantity. That is the cause of downward bias, a very important one. Next question is circular test is satisfied by Cayley's test, Cayley's index number, not by Fisher and Marshall. The range of Bowley's coefficient of skewness is -1 to +1. The range of the call Pearson's coefficient of skewness is -3 to +3. The range of percentile coefficient of kurtosis, a very important one, which is denoted by K. K is equal to quartile deviation over P90 minus P10. Its range is 0 to 0.5, and if the value of K is equal to 0.263, we have mesokurtic. If it is less than 0.263, we have platykurtic, and if it is greater than 0.263, we have leptokurtic. A very important concept. All these should be learnt by you. Next is the range of the Poisson random variable is 0 to infinity. The range of partial correlation coefficient is -1 to +1. The range of multiple correlation coefficient is 0 to infinity. The range of regression coefficient is -infinity to +infinity. The range of coefficient of concordance is 0 to +1. W is equal to 0 means no agreement. W is equal to 1 means complete agreement. And it is used for more than 2 sets of rankings. And for 2 data set of ranking, we use the Spearman rank correlation. Its range is -1 to +1. Next is regression coefficient is independent of origin. When we add a value, a constant value, or subtract a constant value from all the values of x and y, regression coefficient, which is b, is not affected. It is independent of origin, but it is depending upon scale. It is affected by multiply and divide. Correlation coefficient is independent of origin and scale. R is not affected by plus, minus, multiply or divide, a constant value. Next question is beta 1 is independent of. Beta 1 is independent of origin and scale. Beta 2 is also independent of origin and scale. All the averages are independent of A origin, B scale, C both A and B, D none of these. Dear students, all the averages actually arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, mode, percentile, decile, they all are affected by plus, minus, multiply, divide. So the question can be asked in the paper. They are dependent upon origin and scale, they are affected by origin and scale, and they are not independent of origin and scale, a very important one. And if I talk about measures of dispersions, they are independent of plus, minus, they are independent of origin, but they are also affected by scale. And coefficient of variation is independent of scale, it is not affected by multiply and divide, and it is depending upon origin. It is affected by plus, minus, and if we add a value, then that will be decreased. If I subtract a value, that will be increased, because it is x over x bar multiplied by 100, and x bar will be increased by adding, and the denominator will be increased, means the coefficient of variation will be decreased. That is the rule of mathematics. Next question is in completely randomized design, the degree of freedom for error is a very important one. That is, for CR design, there is no restriction. That can be asked. There is no restriction. The degree of freedom for treatment is k minus 1, for total is n minus 1, for error is n minus k. And the numerical question can also be asked. For example, there are 5 treatments. What is the degree of freedom of treatment? That will be 4. For total, there are 20 observations, for example, that will be 19, and n minus k, 20 minus 5, that will be 15 for the error. Numerical questions will be solved by the students if they know this formula, if they have learned k minus 1, n minus 1 and n minus k. In CR design, the degree of freedom of treatment is k minus 1. In RCBT design, the degree of freedom for error, you will have to learn all. RCBT is called one restriction. It has one restriction. CR has no restriction. RCBT has one restriction. In blocking, we have the blocks. Degree of freedom for treatment is k minus 1. For block is b minus 1. For total is rk minus 1. And for error is k minus 1 into r minus 1. And r and b can also be replaced. It is r or b. Next question is, in lattice square design, the degree of freedom for total is. In lattice square design, the degree of freedom for treatment is equal to k minus 1. It is equal to the degree of freedom for block, it is also k minus 1, and for column it is also k minus 1. A very important question. In Latin square design, the degree of freedom for block, column and treatment is same, it is equal to k minus 1, and for total that is k square minus 1, and for error it is k minus 1 into k minus 2. Next question is, in Latin square design the degree of freedom for error is k minus 1 into k minus 2. In binomial distribution, mean is always greater than its variance. Its option is D is the correct one, none of these. In normal distribution, the correct option is D, none of these, because Q1 is equal to mu minus 0.6745 sigma, Q3 upper quartile is mu plus 0.6745 sigma, quartile deviation is 0.6745 sigma, and mean deviation is 0.7979 sigma. D is the correct option. The practical range of the normal distribution is 6 sigma, a very important question. Binomial distribution is the special case of multinomial distribution. In binomial distribution we have two outcomes, and whenever we discuss more than two outcomes we move towards the multinomial distribution. Geometric distribution is the special case of negative binomial distribution. In negative binomial distribution we need more than one successes. Trials are not fixed, but the successes are fixed and they are more than one. Whereas in geometric distribution we need only one success. It is the special case of negative binomial distribution. Next is the moment generating function of the Poisson distribution is, it is e raised to power mu into e raised to power t minus 1. And the correct option is none of these. The moment generating function of the normal distribution is e raised to power mu t plus 1 over 2 sigma square t square, and if I put mu is equal to 0, sigma square is equal to 1, e raised to power 1 over 2 t square. That will be the MGF of the standard normal distribution. The correct option is none of these. The MGF the first person to obtain a quantitative measure of uncertainty is James Bernoulli is the correct option. Next is, a random experiment contains at least two outcomes. We do not know what will come, but we know the total number of outcomes in advance. Next is, classical probability is also known as Laplace probability correct, mathematical probability correct, a priori probability correct, D all of these. The axiomatic definition of a probability was proposed by Kolmogorov, a very important one. The idea of posteriori probability was introduced by Thomas Bayes. Bayes was a preacher as well as mathematician. C is the correct option, both A and B. Bayes probability is also known as conditional probability. Next question is, if 7:6 is in a favor of A to survive 5 years more and 5:3 in favor of B to survive. Dear students, I will give you the concept of this much 7:6. Whenever we talk about favor, you will have to take this in the numerator. Probability of A will be 7/13, and the second option is 5:3 in the favor of B. If they talk about against, then what will you do? Probability of A will be, that will be the upper part, 6/13, but they're talking about the favor, so probability of B will also be 5/8. Now the question is, at least one of them will survive for 5 years. The correct option is 43/52. Next question is a very important one. Probability of A is given 0.30, probability of B is given 0.78, probability of A intersection B is given 0.16, and you are to calculate probability of A intersection B complement. Please learn this formula, probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. Just substitute the values. Probability of A is 0.30 minus this is given 0.16. The correct option will be 0.14. If in the exam they ask probability of B intersection A complement, that the formula will be probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, a very important one. Next question is, if coefficient of variation is 50, C dot V is given, it is 50, the standard deviation is 20, then the mean is, the formula is C dot V is equal to S over X bar. You will have to calculate by putting the values. The correct option is 40. Next question is, M1 prime is given, m1 prime is 2, m2 prime is 12. We are to calculate m2, that will be m2 prime minus m1 prime whole square, and that will 12 minus 2 whole square. 12 minus 4, 8 will be the correct option. If all the observations are multiplied by k, the variance is doubled. A very important question. If all the observations are multiplied by k, so means let y is equal to kx. All the values are multiplied by k. I have generated a new variable. Let's suppose y, z, x, y, z, g, anyone. Now, variance of y will be k square variance of x. And the question is, if all the observations are multiplied by k, the variance is doubled. Double means variance of y is equal to 2 variance of x. Now just substitute. Now just compare these two. K square variance of x is equal to 2 variance of x. This will be equal to this much. K square is equal to 2 under root. K will be equal to under root 2. A very important question. If the standard deviation of the variable x is sigma, then the standard deviation of y is equal to 8 minus 3x. Dear student, please keep in mind, you will have to take the variance on both sides. Variance of 8 plus 9 variance of x. That will be 9 variance of x. And sigma is given. For this much, take the under root. 3 sigma x will be the correct option. Actually, the formula is, if you want to apply this much, variance of x plus variance of the next one, variance of y under the root. The formula is variance of x plus variance of y under the root. Next question is, in a mesochaotic distribution, the force central moment is 243. M4 is given, it is 243. You are to find the standard deviation. We know the formula. M4 is, we know beta 2 is equal to M4 over M2 square. It is equal to variance M2. M2 is equal to variance, and beta 2 in mesochaotic means beta 2 is equal to 3. Just substitute. 3 is equal to M4 over M2 square. M4 is given 243. That will be over here. M2 square is equal to 243 divided by 3. 3 8s are 3 1s are. M2 square is 81. Take under root on both sides. M2 is equal to 9. M2 means variance. If variance is 9, then standard deviation will be 3. A very important one. If the first quartile is 142 and the third and the semi-interquartile range, which is quartile deviation, Q3 minus Q1 over 2, that is given equal to 18. Then assuming that the distribution is symmetrical, then symmetrical means Q3 minus Q2 is equal to Q2 minus Q1. Then you will have to find out the median, which is Q2. A very important one. Just substitute and you can get the value very easily. For example, quartile division is 18. 18 is given, is equal to Q3 is not given, minus Q1 is given 142 over 2. 218 is the 36 plus 142 is equal to Q3, and that will be 178 is Q3. Now just substitute in this much. 178 minus x is equal to x minus 142. 178 plus 142 is equal to 2x, and that will be 0. 2 1 carry over 2 is equal to x. 2 1s are 2 6s are 0. 160 will be the correct option in the exam. A very important one. Mean is given, that is 60. Standard deviation is 45, and skewness is given minus 0.4, and you have to calculate mode. We know the formula of skewness. Mean minus mode over standard deviation. Just substitute and get the answer, and the correct answer is 78. Next question is, the mean of 10 numbers is 12.5. The mean of the first 6 is 15 and the last 5 is 10. The sixth number is, the correct option is 15. In my book Stat 6 in pocket, I have solved that question. Next question is very important. Minus under root 7, minus under root 6, minus under root 5, up to so on. And we are to calculate standard deviation. I have solved that question also in my book. The correct option is 2. How many phases of a cycle are? There are 4 phases. Which measure of dispersion is the unitless measure of dispersion? Coefficient of variation. Which measure of central tendency depends on change of scale? All of these, as I have discussed in the earlier, all are depending upon origin and scale. Next is now the general knowledge portion. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from Leuven University of Belgium. Belgium is the correct option. Umar Khayyam was a Persian poet. He was the poet. Next is who was known as the man of destiny? Napoleon, a very important one. As next question is Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on special theory of relativity. Next is penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming, a very important. Who was the painter of Mona Lisa? And the correct option is Leonardo, a very important one. Who is called the founder of chemistry? Jabir bin Hayyan. The next one is the acid prepared by Jabir bin Hayyan is sulfuric acid. Who was an experienced surgeon? A very important one, and that was Al-Razi. Al-Biruni discovered the radius of the earth, which was, the correct option is 6338 kilometers. Next is our Pakistani scientist who won the Nobel Prize is Dr. Abdul Salam. Next is he lived in this house for 6 years. The correct option is he has been living